purpose of our experiment was to determine whether high school kids are obedient or not. To do this, we set up signs that at each vending machine that said that a recent evaluation from the Board of Health said that you must sanitize your hands before utilizing the vending machines. Our hypothesis was that most people wouldn't obey the signs. You will see the results in the coming videos.
Hey, John, move. Hold this. Hold it so you can see it.
No, did you see my face over the house?
Why are you sanitizing your hands? We're just taking a video at the cafeteria.
Because I don't want to die of disease.
This is great. I'm so confused. This is not going well.
Hey guys!
Oh, I thought it wasn't recording. Josie. We have to edit it on the computer. We have to leave it.
Yes, just edit it out.
Okay.
She'll be there.
Can you be near your order?
You should make a sign.
doing the presentation?
They can see you.
I don't care. It's great footage.
Miss Coffee, where were you positioned yesterday?
By the guidance outside the guidance
and-
office there at my desk.
Here's the
By the vitamin
machine
water
right
machine.
here. Did you notice anyone using the hand wipes yesterday once they read the sign on the machine?
5 people.
5 people.
Yes.
And was there anything interesting about these people? Were they freshmen, or was there anything that separated them?
No, I get all grades there.
All grades?
Yeah, they go there from freshmen to seniors.
So how many? Go on.
Some people thought it was stupid. Honestly, that's what they said.
So how many people, like you 5 took it, how many people would you estimate didn't take it?
Oh boy, there's a lot of people that come to that machine. I would say a good number. You know, I mean, maybe it could be like, maybe let's say 20. You know, there's a lot of
20.
kids that come to that machine from 1st to 9th period.
All right, thank you.
So the majority is that nobody was interested in it, really. You know.
Thank you. Go.
Overall, our experiment yielded mixed results. We saw that the vast majority of people did not obey the signs posted on the vending machines. However, few did actually obey the signs. Few did use the wipes before they used the vending machines, and even fewer actually used their elbows when trying to use the vending machines. We saw from the video of Miss Coffee that that it was a very select minority that did use the wipes, and it may be indicative of their personal values or personal morals. And overall, the experiment was very successful and yielded results that supported our hypothesis.
So you wonder why we had such results in the experiment. The reason is due to most people are condescending people that really don't care about anybody but themselves. That's the truth. It's the truth that most people don't want to believe, but that's reality. Now, you wonder why the economy is like it is right now. Because of people like them. They can't obey anything, and they're constantly breaking the rules. Dysfunctional group, 2010, we're done.